All right, welcome back. So you can see the photo that we used in the previous video for the portrait 2x3. So we can close that PSD. And I have the cat eye stock image still open here. We're going to use this in this video as well, so you can see kind of how the photo works with different sizes. So I'm going to do File, New, and we're going to do Photo, View All Presets, and we'll go to Portrait 4x6, and we'll hit Create. And what we're going to do is hit Control A, Control C on the cat picture, and then Control V to paste him in there. And you can see he really doesn't fit in here at all. So we're going to drag him down here so that he fills the whole canvas. And then you can see him right there. We'll hit Control S, and then we're going to save this as 06. And it's going to be Portrait 4x6. Okay, I'll save that. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.